Welcome back. I'm Trip. This is Trip's Whips. Today we're in Tokyo, Japan, and we're visiting a steakhouse. Today we have a lovely spread here. I got some steaks and potatoes and some broccoli and rice if you want to get in over here. Looks delicious. And I got some broth here too. We're gonna take a cut into this in just a second. Let me grab a steak knife. Oh my God, I can't wait to dig in. We're about to cut this short because I'm very hungry. But let's just take a look real quick how we cut it. So this is Wagu Beef. I'm not sure how you enunciate it, but it's gonna be very good. Look at that. We got some onions underneath it. We have some potatoes and we have some broccoli. I just finished my salad. I'm about to dig in real quick and take the first bite. So let's see how it tastes. You ain't gonna get this shit in America. Tender and juicy, no salt and pepper. Really take the flavor of the beef. This is the Japanese Wagu. I don't know how you enunciate it. It's delicious. There are different names for it. They serve it with potatoes and rice. Very plain. Nothing added, nothing needed. With some white rice. Just a little hole in the wall. And I have no complaints for it. It's very tender, very juicy. Nice size salad. Price is reasonable. I'll show you how to name when I get outside. But I'm liking it.
Tune to the next exciting episode of
Whips.